Hi guys and welcome to another video. Today I have with me Xiaomi Mi Max 2. This one is 4GB plus 32GB storage option and this box cost me rupees 14,000. It also comes in 4GB plus 64GB model and that will cost you rupees 16,000. Inside the box we of course get Xiaomi Mi Max 2. Now this is a black unit. We get SIM ejector tool and some documentation like user guide and warranty information. Further in we get USB Type-C cable and power adapter. This is a fast charger and is very important to charge such a big battery. That is everything you will get in the box. The phone feels very comfortable in the hand. The edges are round so it provides some grip. It is 7.6mm thick and weighs more than 200 grams. Over at the front, it has 6.44-inch 1920 by 1080p IPS LCD display which gives pixel density of 342 ppi. As far as protection is concerned, it has Corning Gorilla Glass 4. Above the display we have 5MP f2.0 camera, a couple of sensors and earpiece. This earpiece also acts as a secondary stereo speaker. Below the display we have 3 capacitive buttons, home button, multitasking button and back button. On the bottom of the phone we have USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Over at the right we have power button and volume buttons. On the top we have IR blaster, we have secondary noise cancellation microphone along with 3.5mm headphone jack. Over at the left it has hybrid SIM tray which means you can use one micro SIM and one nano SIM or you can use one micro SIM and one micro SD card. So if you use SD card then you cannot use two SIMs in this phone. The back seems metallic. It has 12MP f2.2 camera with dual LED flash. This phone is capable of recording video in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. We get Mi logo and fingerprint scanner. The phone runs on Android 7.1.1 Nougat out of the box with a global variant of MIUI 9. I already updated this phone to MIUI 9.5. Xiaomi recently introduced MIUI 10 and this phone will get that update. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 chipset which is an octa-core processor. It has Adreno 506 GPU and 4GB of RAM. If you are used to Xiaomi phone then this phone will be very familiar to you. You get some special options in this phone like a one-handed mode. It allows you to use the phone with one hand. The camera seems pretty good. The camera interface is very similar to other Xiaomi phones. You have tons of mode like panorama, timer, audio mode, manual mode, beauty mode, group shot. It can also record time-lapse and slow motion videos. It will soon get portrait mode with software update. The main USP of this phone is battery. It has massive 5300 mAh battery. It can easily last for 2 days on heavy usage. Xiaomi claims that you can watch videos on this phone for like more than 25 hours. So that's my quick impressions of Xiaomi Mi Max 2 and I will do full review of this product very soon. So in the end, thank you guys for watching and I will see you again in the next one.